following message was transmitted by the request of the Robloxian government. If you're hearing this message, this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. We never thought this day would come, but at 4 p.m. in Eastern Daylight Time, scientists observed that 4 powerful disasters are forming all around the world, along with sides disasters. Due to this, it is finally here. The Doomsday is near. The end of humanity has arrived. Earth as we know it is to come to an end. However, there is a way to end all of this. You must withstand 4 powerful disasters in order to survive the end of the world. We predict that 4 disasters are flash flood, super tsunami, meteors, and lava flood. But because of how powerful they are, your chances of surviving are low. Unfortunately, all local underground shelters are naturally locked shut, which means you have to get to your own shelters immediately. Doomsday will arrive in a couple of hours. The affected area during this event will be all the states, including the other countries too. All residents of Robloxia must stay in their shelters until the all-clear message was given. It is important to seek shelter, gather your families, bring a first aid kit, a battery-powered or in wireless radio, and a light sources. Please follow local law enforcement so you can hear more further disasters. This concludes for this message of this emergency alarm system. Tune in the radios for more information from the local enforcements. This station will now cease transmission. Evacuate to your shelters now. May Mother Nature have mercy on our souls.